What's good? What's good? What's good? So, which Navy Federal credit card is the best? Yo, Navy Federal is an amazing bank, right? And they have amazing products, but you don't know which credit card you should get. Yo, I'm gonna give you the game, the information you need when it comes to Navy Federal credit cards, and everything about Navy Federal. So, you already know what it is. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the number one credit educational channel. Hey, my name is Dave, where I show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, how to build relationships with those banks, and how to get to that money. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know about Navy Federal, right? How to qualify for Navy Federal, right? What your credit report should look like, what your credit score should look like when it comes to Navy Federal credit cards. I'm gonna go over the two top best credit cards that Navy Federal has to offer so you can make an informed decision on which credit card to get. And once you get this credit card, I'm gonna show you how to make some money. So when it comes to Navy Federal and their products, to be able to qualify you, first and foremost, you need to become a member. And to become a member, you need to be in the military, know somebody in the military, have a family, friend, uncle, or relative that's in the military so you can be able to qualify. And once you're in, go ahead and start building that relationship. Open up that check and that savings account. Go ahead and start putting money in to the account. So once you start applying, you'll get approved. Next, now that you're in Navy Federal, you want to make sure your credit profile is set up correctly. You want to make sure your credit score is at least a 680. You got to have at least 680 when it comes to your credit score. Not a 680 Credit Karma Vantage score, a 680 FICO score. Most banks look at the FICO score, so you want to make sure you have at least a 680. Go on Credit Check Total, go on Experian, go on My FICO. You'll be able to see your FICO score when it comes to your credit score. So also you want to make sure your credit profile is set up correctly, right? You want to be hitting on all categories because the underwriter is going to look and check to make sure you have a proper built out credit profile and not a weak one, right? I'm basically going to break down everything you need to have on your credit profile. So basically what the underwriters are looking for is they're looking at your credit profile to make sure you're hitting on all 5 factors of your credit score. So what you want to do is think about it like this. You want to know that the highest credit score you can have when it comes to the FICO 8 is an 850, and the lowest credit score you can have is a 300. That means you have 550 points to play with when it comes to your credit score. So you want to make sure you're hitting on all 5 factors. So payment history is 35% of your score. Utilization is 30%. Average age is 15%. Credit mix is 10%. And hard inquiries, new accounts is another 10%, right? So you want to make sure you have no missed payment. You want to have 100% payment history, right? You want to make sure you have your utilization below 10%. 10%, you need to make sure you have a utilization below. Average age, you want to make sure you have at least 6 months to a year on average when it comes to your credit, your age, right? Your credit mix, you want to make sure you have revolving and installment accounts, right? So you want to make sure you have different type of accounts. You don't want to have all authorized user accounts, right? You want to make sure you have at least 2 to 3 primary accounts. Hard inquiries, you want to make sure you have 5 or less, right? 5 or less hard inquiries. This is how your credit profile needs to be set up. You want to make sure you're hitting on everything. This is what the FICO looks like. This is what your credit profile needs to look like. 100% payment history. You want to make sure your utilization is below 10%. A lot of people say 30, but that's just average. And you're not average. You're above average. You're excellent. You want to make sure your average age is at least 6 months or more. Your credit mix is you have revolving accounts and installment accounts. You need to have a credit card and you need to have personal loan. Also, you need to make sure you have 5 or less hard inquiries when you're applying for these credit cards. So here's what y'all been waiting for. Which credit card is the best at Navy Federal, right? Navy Federal has a lot of good credit cards and they've been known for their high limit credit cards, right? But a lot of people don't really touch on the reward points and the other points and the other perks that come with the Navy Federal, right? And Navy Federal has 2 high-tier credit cards that a lot of people don't really talk about, but they are really good cards if you basically are applying for Navy Federal. And the top 2 credit cards they have is the Flagship and the More Rewards, the American Express, right? When it comes to the credit card. So when it comes to the More Rewards credit card, this credit card is an amazing credit card because of all the features and benefits that come with this card, right? And when you apply for this credit card and get approved, it comes with 25,000 points. That is equivalent to $250. And the caveat, the catch to this is you got to spend at least $3,000 within 3 months. So to qualify for the 25,000 points. But That's easy because you pay rent, you pay mortgage, you pay your car payment, you pay insurance, you pay a lot of things, and you'll be able to spend $3,000 within 3 months. It's really simple. But other than that, you get 3x points on restaurant anytime you spend money or use your credit card at the restaurant. You get 3x points anytime you go to Walmart, Target, anytime you're using it for like groceries or paying for stuff like that. You get 3x points anytime you're paying for gas, and you get 1x points for every other any other things that's not basically related to restaurants, gas, and food and stuff. So this is how the rewards card is an amazing card. So when it comes to the flagship card, right? The flagship card is an amazing card. I call it the black card for Navy Federal. This card is a good card, but the only thing it's missing is the bonus points, right? It usually comes with 40 to 50,000 bonus points, but right now it's coming with Amazon. Amazon Prime for a whole year for free. That's right, Amazon Prime for a whole year for free. This card is amazing for travel. It comes with 3x points on travel, and it comes with 2x on everything else, and it comes with a $100 credit for TSA pre-check, right? So these are the different benefits it comes with when it comes to this card. And which one you think is better? To me, which one I think is better is the more rewards, because it comes with rewards, right? I love reward points. I love the bonus and everything. I always tell my clients and my students to get the more rewards because it's much easier to get approved with this credit card. The black card, I call it the black card, it's much harder. So you should start with the more rewards card. The more rewards come with the bonus points, and it comes with everything else you need. Anytime you use this credit card, it comes with reward points. And reward points, anytime you get reward points for every dollar you spend, is amazing. So I'm gonna break down how you can basically make money with this credit card, the more reward card. So let's get right into it. So when it comes to these credit cards, it can make you money, right? It might not be a lot of money, but give you a little bit of money every now and then. And you can basically use it for certain things. Anytime you get reward points, you can basically redeem it for gift cards and stuff like that. Gift cards for the gas, Target, Walmart, Apple, different places you can use these redeem cards, or for cash, right? It depending on what you want to do. But imagine if you have bills that are about $3,000, right? A month, right? When it comes, I always tell everybody to use their credit cards to pay the bills because you're gonna have to pay these bills anyway, so you might as well go ahead and get a reward for it. Go ahead and get a reward for this. So this is how you make money. So it might not be a lot, like I said, but it's a little bit of money that you basically was going to spend anyway. So imagine if you have $3,000 worth of bills and you times that by 12 months. That's $36,000, right? So what the rewards is, you get 3x on certain things, 2x, and 1x on certain things. So let's just average that out. Let's say you get 2x. 2x times 36 is what? 72,000. So you get 72,000 points, right? That is equivalent to about $720 to about $1,000, depending on what you use it for. But that's money that you never had before. And what I did with that was I did that all last year, and basically, and that was just with one credit card, right? I did that all last year, and my Christmas was free because I then now had all these gift cards from Target, from Walmart, and I basically use these gift cards to pay for my kids' Christmas and stuff like that. So different ways you can use it. You can use it for your gas. You can use it for your toiletries, depending on what you want to use it for. But this is how you use and leverage your credit cards. Also, you can do it for businesses, right? If you have a business right now, you can use this credit card and run ads, right? You can run ads and you can start making money. And every time you use this ad, you're getting rewards because you're making money with the ads because people are buying your stuff, you're buying your products. And if you want to use it for products, drop shipping, stuff like that, you're making money. So think about it like that. Think about the different scenarios you can start doing with these credit cards and start making money. And this is the game that people don't really tell you about. And this is how you make money with a credit card. So if you need help removing things off your credit report and not qualify, I have a free gift for you. The link is in the description. And basically go ahead and grab it. It's a play-by-play to get anything removed off your credit report. Step by step, I lay it out for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please like and subscribe and give me some feedback or whatever you want to drop in the comments. Like I said, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. See y'all. Remember, y'all one deletion away to get into your ultimate credit score. No days off to get into that money. Thank y'all.